Now, the question number 5. The question is Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's is 5 years. How much? 5 years from now will be one third of his mother's present age. What are their present age? It means in this question, we are going to find the present age of Shobo as well as Shobo's mothers. Now, in this question, also the relation between the Shobo's present age and Shobo's mother's present age is given. And what is that? That is, question says that Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. It means if I have Shobo's present age, then I can find out the Shobo's mother's present age by multiplying the Shobo's age with 6. यहाँ पे 6 टाइम्स का मीनिंग क्या है कि 6 से शोभो की एज को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो मुझे शोभो की मम्मी की एज मिल जाएंगी। ठीक है, तो इसके लिए मैंने क्या करूंगा, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन में एज्यूम करूंगा, क्या एज्यूम करूंगा, लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ शोभो बी एक्स ईयर्स, यानी मैंने शोभो की प्रेजेंट एज एक्स ईयर्स एज्यूम कर ली। अब मैं इसकी एज को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा जो कि 6x होगा, तो वो किसकी एज होगी, शोभोज मदर्स प्रेजेंट एज। तो इसलिए मैंने लिखा देयरफॉर शोभोज मदर्स प्रेजेंट एज विल बी 6x years. Okay, so now further it has been said in the question that Shobo's age 5 years from now. From now means now his age is x years. Now after 5 years, इसके 5 साल बाद, तो after 5 years Shobo's age will be, किसी की भी एज अगर प्रेजेंट में x है तो आफ्टर 5 years अगर मुझे लिखना है, इट मीन्स आई नीड टू एड 5 with the present age. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मेरी एज आज के डेट में 32 है तो आफ्टर 5 years का मीनिंग होगा 32 plus 5 which will be 37. सो इसीलिए हमने शोभो की 5 years बाद की एज फाइंड करने के लिए उसके प्रेजेंट एज जो कि कितनी है, x है, उसने 5 ऐड किया. सो दिस इज द शोभोज एज आफ्टर 5 years. नाउ क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है कि आफ्टर 5 years जो एज होंगी शोभो की वो कितनी होंगी, विल बी 1/3. 1/3 का मीनिंग क्या होता है, 1/3 stands for 1/3. ओके, तो 1/3, लेकिन 1/3 किसका, ऑफ हिज मदर्स प्रेजेंट एज, यानी उसकी मम्मी की प्रेजेंट एज कितनी है, 6 है, 6x है, इसका 1/3 जो होगा वो इसके बराबर होगा. सो वी कैन राइट अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x plus 5 which is the Shobo's age after 5 years which will be equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. And what is the mother's present age? It is 6x. So we can write it here 6x. Now x plus 5 is equals to 1/3 into 6x. So here we can divide the 6 by 3 to the 6. You will get x plus 5 is equals to 2x. Now since I have to find the value of x, so we will transpose the value of this x to the right hand side. Since here it was in plus, it will become minus sign. So 5 is equals to 2x minus x. 5 is equals to 2x minus x will give you x. That is x is equals to 5. So we have now the value of x is 5. And what is the x? Since we have assumed that x is the age, which is present age of Shobo. So we can write it here. Hence, present age of Shobo is equals to x, which is equals to 5 years. and present age of Shobo's mother. Now we have to find out the present age of Shobo's mother. And what was that? It was 6x. So 6x is equals to 6 into the value of x is 5, which will give you 30 years. That is, after solving this, at last we have two values, and which are that values are the present age of Shobo, which is 5 years, and present age of his mother, which is 30 years. That's it. Okay.